In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the screw modifier. So we're going to delete this cube real quick. X delete, Shift A, mesh plane, tab. I'm going to select 3 of these vertices, X delete, and I'm just going to have 1 of these. Over here, I'm going to go to add modifier, and I'm going to add a screw. We can see with the screw is it makes a loop of it. So just like with the mirror modifier, where we do it one time and it does it on the other side. So for example, for a face, we only need to create the right side of the face and it'll generate the left side. With a screw modifier, all you have to do is make a single line in order to make an object. So if I do E, extrude this out, we can make some pretty cool shapes. And all I'm doing is I'm just doing E. W, let's go back to this. So very quickly, we can make some pretty cool shapes. Now, what the screw does, right, is if I go here, if I click screw, we can do an offset for it. For example, if you actually wanted to make a screw, you probably would do something like this, where you would have these vertices, and then with the screw modifier, you would be able to offset it.